Do you want to maximize your gains in the crypto market? Well then, you need to steer clear of the top crypto mistakes you need to avoid doing. Hey there, welcome back to Key to Crypto. And in today's video, we'll be delving deep into the top 10 mistakes that crypto investors often make. Mistakes that could cost you big time. Stick around because this video could be the difference between turning a profit or having your fortune swept from under your feet. The first big mistake people make is not doing their own research before investing. We get it. It's easy to get caught up in the hype, especially if your friend, Degenerate Dave, is making bank and telling you about an altcoin that's guaranteed to 100x. You're hepped up on hopium and desperate to get in on the action. But, ladies and gents, don't fall into the trap. Take your time to do your research. Learn about exchanges, learn how to store your crypto safely, understand your tax liabilities, and, most importantly, do your homework on crypto projects. Learning about exchanges is crucial. Exchanges are the platforms where you'll be buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies. Understanding how they work, their reputation, and their security features are vital to safeguarding your investments. Knowing how to store your crypto safely is paramount. Cryptocurrencies are stored in digital wallets, and there are various types, each with its own security features. Being aware of these options and choosing the one that aligns with your security preferences is crucial to prevent the risk of hacks or unauthorized access. Many overlook the importance of understanding tax implications associated with crypto investments. Cryptocurrency transactions can have tax consequences, and being ignorant of these may lead to legal complications down the line. Take the time to educate yourself on tax liabilities related to crypto gains and losses. Perhaps the most vital aspect is doing your homework on crypto projects. Not all projects are created equal, and thorough research can unveil potential red flags or strengths. Investigate the project's white paper, team, roadmap, and community engagement. Check if the project solves a real-world problem and has a sustainable long-term vision. But let me summarize the main points here. When researching projects, focus on two key things. First, is it a legit project? And second, what is the token allocation? To do this, start by checking out the coin or token on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. Look at the price action and trading volume. The trading volume should be significant, indicating actual buying and selling on reputable exchanges. Once you're assured that the fundamentals are in order, deep dive into secondary sources like Messari, Finance Research, and Coin.com. These platforms provide a broad overview of the project, key team members, and their vision. Pay close attention to token allocation. Tokens widely distributed to the community are a good sign, while a red flag is when most tokens are held by a few individuals, usually the founders. Next, do your due diligence on the founder, CEO, and key team members. Check for videos on YouTube and past interviews. They can be informative about whether they're implementing their vision or a bit scattered. A good sign is when they're delivering on their roadmap. By this point, you should have all the information you need to determine whether the project is legit and has potential. Now, on to the second mistake, picking the wrong exchange. There are different degrees of mistakes you can make when choosing an exchange. First and foremost, ensure the exchange is legit. Do your research, check Reddit, Twitter, and other forums for reviews. Who are the founders, and how long have they been around? Consider if the exchange is compatible with your investment strategy. Does it offer the tokens you're seeking to buy? If you're into large caps, most exchanges will have you covered. However, if you're after small caps with higher risk and potentially higher returns, be more selective in choosing exchanges. While some exchanges offer hundreds of coins and tokens, like Coinbase with its highly regulated and secure platform, others may not be subject to the same scrutiny. Check if the exchange's functionality suits your trading style. Remember, security, coin allocation, and functionality are crucial factors to consider in choosing the right exchange for you. If you're just starting out in the crypto world, it makes sense to opt for an exchange with a straightforward interface. For those with more experience, ensure that the exchange offers the trading tools you're accustomed to. Some platforms provide both basic and advanced versions, catering to users at all levels. Take the time to explore different options. On a personal note, one of my current gripes in the crypto space is the unnecessarily complicated interfaces of some exchanges. This poses a challenge for newcomers and even seasoned crypto enthusiasts. We won't attract millions of new users if they find it cumbersome to navigate these platforms. While some exchanges have made efforts to create user-friendly interfaces, others remain cumbersome. If you work for an exchange, take note: the user interface, UI, and user experience, UX, matter. Now, rant aside, let's move on. Lastly, ensure the exchange you're considering supports your currency and doesn't impose exorbitant trading fees. Heavy trading fees can dampen the excitement of a successful trading day, especially when more affordable alternatives are available. If you like what you're watching so far, please don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss any of our uploads. Moving on to another critical mistake: lack of a plan. As Benjamin Franklin said, "By failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail." This holds true in the crypto world. Too often, emotions drive investment decisions, leading to regrets. Having a solid strategy is your roadmap, guiding thoughtful moves and preventing impulsive trades. A well-thought-out strategy acts as your guardrail against the influence of fear, uncertainty, and FOMO. Crafting a killer strategy is highly personal, but a few guidelines can help. Define specific, measurable goals aligned with your risk tolerance. Consider your age, financial responsibilities, and risk appetite. Decide on your portfolio allocation, weighing smaller cap alts for potential growth against safer large cap coins. Choose between hodling and active trading based on your risk-reward calculation. Regardless of your strategy, remember this golden rule: only invest what you can afford to lose, and never borrow money for investments. It simply isn't worth it. If you're new to investing, resist the urge to dive into high leverage. It's a quick way for anyone, especially newcomers, to get wrecked in crypto trading. Another crucial tip: take profits along the way. This is one of the most common regrets among investors. Incorporate this into your strategy. You'll thank yourself later. All right, you've done your homework, made a plan, and you're executing it. Great job. Now, let's delve into the next two common mistakes related to security. First up is self-custody. In simple terms, it means having full control of your crypto by storing it in a wallet only you control. Think of it like keeping your cash in your own safe rather than a bank. While active trading may lead you to keep some assets on centralized exchanges for convenience, there are risks. You have to trust the entity, and despite security protocols, hacks can still occur. Regulatory risks and the potential for bankruptcy add more layers of concern. It's just not worth the risk. Treat exchanges like public toilets. Get in, do your business, and get out. So, what's the alternative? Self-custody your crypto by using offline wallets with keys you control. Hardware wallets like Trezor or Ledger are excellent options. Shockingly, only a small fraction of crypto users utilize hardware wallets, despite their enhanced security. Finally, the 10th mistake: giving up early. Volatility can be daunting, but resilient investors weather the storms. Take a long-term view, adjust your strategy, and hold on for potential upswings. Balancing short-term profits with long-term perspectives is key. Remember, when in doubt, zoom out. The crypto journey is a marathon, not a sprint. We at KTC wishes you well on your crypto journey. Share your thoughts in the comments. Before you go, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more valuable content. That's it for now, and remember, the future of finance is here with KTC.